Okay, welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Okay, we are still in our pasta series today, so we're gonna do our pasta with bumbu hitam today. It's black sesame seasoning. So we're gonna combine this with pasta alla Italiano with 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia with black sesame. Have you guys ever tried black sesame with pasta? We're gonna do it today. 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia seasoning. It's depend on you. If you want a deeper flavor, put more. If you just want kind of that hint flavors of the herbs and seasoning, so you can put less. But today I'm just gonna put 2. If you want a deeper flavor, put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever you want. So now 2 spoons of butter, unsalted butter. If you have a salted butter, doesn't matter. And then garlic. Okay, if you don't want garlic, don't put garlic because it's already everything here in every bumbu. But if you like more, put more. Okay, that's easy. That's how to chop garlic. Okay. Okay. Turn it down a little bit. Ta-da. Okay. So we're gonna put the bumbu now. Put 2 spoons of bumbu. It's kind of smoky black sesame taste. They have lemongrass, they have kaffir lime, they have garlic. So we're gonna put perhaps 2. Okay. 2 pinch of sugar. Okay, that's a coconut sugar. Okay, kind of blackish. Then put your pasta. Okay. Whew. Take a look at that color, guys. Take a look at that color. Very black. Okay. Now it's your salt and cheese. Interesting. A very interesting taste. Okay. 2 pinch of salt. If you need more saltiness, put, guys, whatever you want to put with the saltiness. Let me try again. The saltiness. Well, kind of bitter a little bit because of the black sesame, but it tastes really unique. You never try pasta like this, okay? It's a very sesame kind of taste. And then now we're gonna combine sesame with cheese. Put the cheese now. Cheese. Yeah, you can put cheese as much as you want, the cheese. Okay. I think I'm good here. Then I'm gonna try again the saltiness. If you want more salt. Bueno. I'm gonna put more salt. So it's okay. 4 pinch of salt. But the cheese is salty already, so okay. So this is pasta with smoky black sesame, lemongrass, kaffir lime, garlic, and more cheese. I like more cheese. Woo. More cheese. More cheese. Okay, guys, it's a kind of smoky taste, very cheesy, a very sesame kind of taste. It's a combination of 2 sesame and cheese and Italiano pasta. Very good. You have to try this at home, okay? That's it. Don't forget to go to 17,000flavors.cooking and try and buy our seasoning and try this at home. It's very simple, very easy. Whatever you have in your fridge, just dump it into the pan and cook with the seasoning. It's very easy, it's very simple. Just salt, okay? Ta-da! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.